Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone more aesthetic. So first, I'm going to show you how to customize your home screen. So first, you go to shortcuts and then tap the plus button there, and then you tap on add action, and then on the search bar type in open app. So and then choose that one under scripting, and then you see the app writing there. Tap there, and then you choose the app. So for example, Pinterest. Then tap, and then now you see the blue button on the top right corner. Tap there, and then tap on add to home screen. Now you can tap there and then choose file, and then choose the icon that you want to see on your home screen, and then also the name. So for example, Pinterest, and then tap on add, and then that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.